My name is Riya Mondal. Currently, I am pursuing from EIILM-Kolkata BBA Hotel and Hospitality Management. Now, we are preparing egg delight cheesy mustard hummus.
So here we we have the following ingredients. This is the main ingredient which we are having. This is boiled chickpeas which we have blended with ginger, the chops, garlic and little bit of chilies. So we have already made the paste and we are going to use this paste as in the presentation. We have some boiled eggs which we have already done. We are going to cut it for garnish. This is basically a pre-prepared dish where the mise a plat makes the very important role. We'll only saute some vegetables in order to just start the presentation. There are some colorful vegetables which we are just sauteing for the presentation. Here. We are going to first cut the eggs into half, the boiled egg into half. Yeah. Here we have the hummus which we have already put in the piping bag.
Now our dish is ready.
Do try it at home and let us know how you liked it. Thank you.